Now let us learn about the Hardy-Weinberg principle. The Hardy-Weinberg principle states that the population's allele and genotype frequencies will remain constant in the absence of any evolutionary mechanisms. So, it provides a mathematical equation that can be used to calculate the frequencies of the alleles of a particular gene in a population. However, this principle makes several assumptions. It assumes that there is no mutation, or there is no alleles that are generated by mutation, nor they are duplicated or deleted. In addition, it assumes that there is random mating. This means that organisms mate randomly with each other with no preference for particular genotypes. Moreover, it assumes that there is no gene flow. This means that neither individuals nor their gametes enter or exit the population. And it assumes that the population size is very large. Finally, it assumes that there is no natural selection, meaning all alleles are equally likely to be passed to the next generation. Now, although there is no real-world population that can satisfy all these conditions, the principle offers a useful model for population analysis. So let's see what is meant by the Hardy-Weinberg equation. Let's consider a gene that has two alleles, a dominant allele, which is capital A, and a recessive allele, which is small a. And let the probability of allele A equals to P, and the probability of allele small a equals to Q. From this, we can derive our first equation, which is P plus Q equals to 1. This is because we have two alleles, allele capital A and allele small a, so the probability of one plus the other must be equal to 1, which is 100%. Now, because each gene comes in two alleles, then we could have 4 possible arrangements. We could either have capital A, small a, or capital A, small a, and finally small a, capital A. Now, these two are considered the same. From these, we could derive the second equation. This would give us P squared. These two will give us PQ. So, because we have 2, then it is 2PQ. And small a would give us the Q squared. And the sum of all these probabilities is equal to 1, or 100%. So the equation would be P squared plus 2PQ plus Q squared is equal to 1. And these are the equations that are used to calculate the allelic frequencies.